Okay. Okay, you are able to hear me, guys? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good
Okay.
morning, sir.
Sir, one problem is there.
Yeah, tell me.
So while on new server
Huh.
in FS00, while changing the company code, I'm entering my company code CP01. Uh,
Huh.
it says specify the existing value, even though it was there in list CP01.
Huh. So it will say specify the existing list means when you have not created any GLs, it will show like first you go. See now here I will show you something. I understand what you are talking. You are going to X02. Here SCPL is company code is there.
Yes, sir.
It is there. But when I go to FS00, when I am going to shift to my SCPL, it will show say like
Same exactly, sir. Exactly.
right. So why? Because GL's not created. First you create something. You create one GL account.
Okay, sir.
After you create at least one GL account, only it will accept. So you
Okay.
press enter like this, then you create one GL account. You create.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then it will come here. See here incomes I did not create. It is not showing. No? Same way, first some account, at least one account should be created, then only it will come.
Sure, sir.
Hmm? Okay.
So one more thing is there. Coming Saturday, I have an interview with Infosys regarding this SAP Pico.
Very good. Good,
So
good, good.
I need your guidance regarding interview. How can I approach regarding topics? Only I have to cover the topics or need to go beyond
How
this.
many years is it? Fresher?
So 1 year, sir.
1 year,
I'm
fine.
here.
Good, good, good. No problem. We will see. Yeah. So first you share your resume with me. What you spoke about in the resume. Only that they will ask.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So resume very important. Read your resume line by line.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Yesterday I messaged Venkatesh sir, but they not provide me new server. Also, my old server is I am doing foreign currency. There is
Hmm.
a step number 10,
Hmm.
uh,
Hmm. Hmm.
but they not run. I put this error in on Insta,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
but no one helped me, sir. And also my other I am doing. There are also error shows, sir.
Okay.
When
So,
I am creating company code copy, there also shows an error.
which one you are talking, ma? Which topic you are talking?
First I am doing, sir, foreign currency. Step
Okay.
number 10, period ended.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I will see. Like,
Sir,
if there is a
when
server issue or is it like your issue, we need to see.
no, sir,
So today they
no,
will give you the new access, ma, to do it. Try to do it on the new server. Okay. Yeah.
but
Sir,
sir, my old server also not giving, sir. On runtime, they showing error, sir.
Yeah. So that's why I'm telling you, no. Today they will give you the access, no. Try that one, new one. Okay. Only one
But
topic the problem is there. Other
no,
topics problem is not there.
no, sir, there is a company code when I'm copying. There also problem EC01.
Yeah. So this is the why you copy ma for doing that topic only, no? Correct? So
Yes,
they are interrelated. You try to do EC01 in the new server, no? They will provide today, okay? I will put a word. Today they will. I think you connected with the wrong Venkat, no? There are two Venkats there. So there is a installation separate Venkat is there. You have to connect with him. No problem. Today he will give you the access. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Now, huh,
Sorry, that foreign currency, the T code OB22.
hmm.
If I go there, that's my company code is not showing. That's
OB22, you have to give new entries and give.
okay.
You have to give new entries. You don't go to position there.
Okay, okay. New entries, then
Hmm?
only company code I have to create. Okay, sir.
Correct. Yeah. Okay, let's proceed, guys. Let's proceed with our new version. So today we are going to start S4 HANA.
Hello,
Yes, tell me, ma'am.
sir. Actually, I also stuck with Copa. Like my ID is also 113.
Okay, okay, okay. Just 1 minute. I will put a word to him. What is your name, ma?
Manisha.
Okay. Yeah. She will give you today. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
also telling my
Okay,
name.
sir. Thank you.
I've given my yours already given. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So now today we will talk about our new version, that is S4 HANA version. What is the name of the previous version, guys? That we
ECC.
have been using?
ECC.
ECC,
ECC. ECC full form is what?
Enterprise
ERP Center.
ERP Central
Central
Component.
component. ERP central component. Now the main ones I will discuss. So first we will have an overview what we are talking. So here for we have something like three-tier architecture. What is three-tier architecture, guys? What do you mean by three-tier architecture?
The server.
No, no, three server is different. That is landscape you are talking. SAP landscape. Landscape means mm, you have development server, quality server, production server. Yeah? That is landscape. Server setup. Landscape means what? Server setup. Correct. Now I'm talking about three-tier architecture. Three-tier architecture means you have three layers are there.
Package.
Presentation layer, application layer, and then we have, what is the other one?
Data layer.
Database layer. Correct? So presentation layer is nothing but your user interface. User interface means how the user is connecting with the system. Na? Input, output. Correct? Yeah. Application layer is nothing but your software. Application or app. Application, software, app, application, app. Correct? Database layer is your database, na? The server where we store the data. Correct? Yeah. So input, if you give any input, the software will take the input, store the data in the database. Correct? Tomorrow you ask any report, system will go, software will understand your question, search the database, show you the output. Simple example, guys. Simple. You are doing input, output. Correct? Your mobile is there. You input sometimes. You do text. Correct? Input. Sometimes you want to see. Open one file, one document. You open it. You see. Correct? So consistently this will be going on. Na? Always? Yeah. So how many layers are working basically? Three layers. Your monitor, your screen is there. Suppose your laptop is there. Your laptop is there. Your keyboard is there. Keyboard is what? Is keyboard
Output.
and monitor. Which layer it is? Keyboard and monitor?
Presentation.
Presentation. Input, output. You type something, you can see in the screen. You want to see something, you will see in the monitor, right? Input, output. Then application layer is your, what is your software, no? What is your software you are using, right? You are which operating system you are using, Microsoft Windows Word file you are using, what is that you are using, SAP you are using, that is the software. So SAP ERP software is coming where, guys? It is coming in the application. Is it clear? And then backend there is a database, no?
HANA.
Three things. Is it clear? Yeah. So we have user interface here to connect with SAP application. Here we have user interface, we call it GUI, graphical user interface. You know about this?
No.
You might have heard about, no? Give they say, no? SAP give. Give means graphical user
Correct.
interface to connect with SAP. Correct, no? Yeah. So in your laptop also, in the beginning when they give you access, now you know what they put? They put give only to log into our servers. Correct, no? That symbol that you click and log on is nothing but your give. Is it clear? How you are logging in, connecting to SAP. Right? That is user interface. Okay. So user interface, application and database. Three things. Got it? Yeah. So this is very important to understand. See why there is so much weightage given to the three-tier architecture. Why there is so much weightage given is, see if you see, your laptop is there. Yeah, your laptop is there. In your laptop, all the three layers are there. All the three layers are there or not there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Three layers. Presentation layer is there, application software is there, database hard disk is there inside your laptop.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Without hard disk, can your laptop work?
No.
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 Without monitor keyboard, your laptop will work. Without screen and keyboard, can your laptop work?
No.
No. Without software, will your laptop work?
No, sir.
So understand three parts, important parts. Kada? User presentation layer where input and output will happen. One software unit, and in the middle and the last you have a database on which you store the data. Because every time you give the data, it will store in the database. Every time you want to see the data, it will go search the database, show you the output. Is it clear? Yeah. This is what we call it as a three-tier architecture. Three-tier architecture are not yet come. I am explaining you. Three-tier architecture means I will tell you. See now your laptop is there. All the three layers are combined together. In your laptop, all the three layers are combined together, correct? Mixed. Now your laptop, how many people can use?
One only.
One laptop, how many people can use at a time?
One person.
Only
One
one
person.
person. Now imagine I am a small office is there. I have a small office. I am a chartered accountant. My friend is there. He has got about 15 employees. A small office is there. Correct? I have a small office. How many employees are there? 15 employees are there. Now 15 employees, my data is common, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
My clients data, for whose tax filing is done, for whom not done, what file. My data is common for all the 15, 15 employees. All the 15 will work on same data. Yes. Now if I give 15 laptops to 15 people, my 15 data will be separate, right? Correct or not? See, I can give 15 laptop to 15 employees, but what will happen? Each laptop separate data, right?
Yes.
But what I want, all my 15 employees to work on common data. You understand? So if one of the 15 employees saves, he should save on the same database. Correct or not? Because if anything is updated, all the 15 should see, na?
Yes.
Correct or not? Yeah? Otherwise, what will happen? Duplication of data. Correct? One guy saves something, other guy cannot see. Correct? Understand? So what is my requirement now when I am a small business, when I have 15 employees? My data, my requirement is I want presentation application may be separate, but database common. Correct? So what I do here, I will put I will put, sorry, 1 minute, not this way, this way. So what I do now, here I will, so my small office what I put, at this level I will put 15 workstations. Understand? And all of them connected to one CPU here. Is it clear? You know now? One CPU. Can I connect one CPU to 15 workstations?
Yes.
Workstations means what? Only screen, monitor, keyboard. Can I connect?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. You understand now? So if any of these 15 people work, where they are working, all of them are working on the same server, same
Yes.
database. Is it clear?
Yes.
So I separated my presentation layer from application and database. So application and database is where in one CPU. Now all of you are in this setup only, guys. All the students are working on one server means what? One server means what? You are all having this. This is your user interface in your laptop. From that you are connecting to our CPU. In the CPU, HCP is there. HCP has a database. So whatever you are doing, all are getting able to see your friends' data. Are you able to see? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what we have done here, presentation layer separated from application and database layer. Is it clear? Okay. Correct? So my presentation layer, I will put 15 workstations and all of them work on the common application, common database. Is it clear, everybody? Yeah? So can I use it my 15 employees now?
Yes.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose we have 15 students. All of them are accessing same SAP server, same database.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So if one guy creates a company code, other guys can they see?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is this one. So I separated. So now previously one laptop, one user. Now one CPU, many
Users.
User.
users. Is it clear? You understand the difference? When I separated my presentation layer and application and database layer, I can use it for 15 people, correct? Yeah. So now imagine I have not my 15 employees. I have 1500 employees. Oh, then you tell me what will happen. If 1500 employees are hitting the same CPU, what will happen, guys?
Load will increase.
So my CPU will crash now.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So what I do now? You tell me what is the solution now?
We will create some more CPUs and connect
That's
all
it.
CPUs.
All CPU to one database. Understand? Database is common, one single source of truth, na? You cannot put multiple databases, right? Okay, so here multiple CPUs. Is it clear? So when you understand, it is simple, guys. This is general life. Understand? So when my data is increasing, when number of people are increasing, I will increase my application layer also separated. So here I have many application servers. That's what we do now. Our students, we have six servers we have. 6 servers we have, but ours is different. For each application server, we have only one database is separate. But in real time, when the businesses operate, they have a requirement to operate on only one database. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yeah. All the business data, one database or separate databases?
One database.
One database.
But many users, thousands of customers. Now Amazon is there. How many millions of customers are accessing their databases? Millions of people are accessing. Is the data common for all customers? Yes.
Yes.
If one material is out of stock, means it is out of stock for all customers, right? Yes. So millions of customers are accessing from their presentation layers and hitting thousands of application servers. All the application servers hitting common database. You understand? This is what is 3-tier architecture. 3-tier means you are separating presentation, application and database separate. Got it? In your laptop, all of them are packed together. So only one guy can use. In small offices, presentation layer separated from application and database. Their application and database one common place. Is it clear? Few people can work. 100 people, 50 people can work. But if you have millions of people, thousands of people are there, then you have no choice. You have to put multiple application servers. Then only speed will be there. Because this each application server will be serving 100 people. It has a capacity. It will take 100 people questions, answer 100 people, like that. It will take the data from 100 people, save in the common database. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? No, you tell me, guys. I will ask you one question. All the government servers, government websites, they are slow. Correct? Whenever you go there, they take lot of time to open. No? Why?
Less storage in the
No,
data.
it is not about storage. It's not about storage. Storage is storage.
More users,
Less
less
application
application layer.
servers and more
Ah,
memory.
exactly. Application server, they don't increase. You understand? No? The middle, the guy who should take your data and put it in the database, the guy who will go there and fetch the database, like a server, na server, application server, server in the hotel server. You know server, na? Now 10 customers are there, only one server is there serving you. Ah, can he meet all the customers' demands? No, he will take time, na? Same here also server, na? The guy who is taking, bringing, putting server. You understand, na? Yeah. So in the middle, if application servers are less, obviously it will take time, na? Because 100 customers asking one server. You understand? Now Amazon, it will be fast. Why?
It has multiple servers.
They will employ, depending upon the customer demand, they will employ. Is it clear now? T-tier architecture. T-tier architecture means what we have done. We have separated application layer, we have separated presentation layer, application layer, database layer separate. Is it clear? Okay. Understood, everybody? So when you separate like this, it makes it, it make it scalable. Scalable means what? Now if I have 100 customers, I will have 10 application servers. If I have 2000 customers, 2 lakh customers, accordingly can I increase? Yes. Correct. Number of application servers I can increase. The capacity of the database I will increase. Size. Not multiple databases. Same database, size. 1 TB, 10 TB, 1000 TB, 3000 TB. Correct? You understand? Size of the database will increase because data size is increasing. Is it clear? Got it? Okay. Anybody not understood 3-tier architecture? 3-tier means 3 layers. In your railway station, in the coach, you have 3 tires, no? Sleeper, 3-tier. Correct or not? Three tires, 3 layers. Okay? Okay. So everybody understood 3-tier architecture? Because what I am going to discuss next is dependent on this 3-tier architecture. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anybody not understood? Okay. Yaltab, tell me. Those who joined late, just 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, tell me.
Did I miss anything, sir? Because due to some.
No, it's fine. You are able, you have talked about, you have listened to 3-tier architecture, no?
No,
Yeah.
sir, no, sir. I'm not.
Okay.
Please explain.
Okay. So 3-tier architecture means for any system you have 3 layers: presentation layer, application layer, database layer. Okay? Yeah. So in the presentation layer where you will input and output the data, and in application layer where you have the software or application, in the database is where you store the data. Okay? Right. So definitely there will be 3 layers will be there. That's what we call it as a 3-tier architecture. So now
Sir, at what time the class started, sir?
Probably 710 or something. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now here we are talking about three-tier architecture. Okay. So now in ECC versus S4, what we have to know now. Okay. Right. So here
Infra layer, interface means the user interface.
interface means how you connect, no? How you connect your input. Keyboard is your input. Monitor is your output. That one. How you are connecting to the system. Okay. Yeah. So ECC.
Sir, tell me about two-tier also.
The two-tier means your small office setup, na? Correct. See your laptop. Your laptop is what? Your laptop is
Compressed,
all of them together.
yeah, compressed system.
Correct. There are no tires there. All of them together. Two-tier means where you separated your
CPU and
presentation, yeah, presentation with other things. Correct. Small office setup. I told you, Nama. 15 employees connecting to one CPU. Correct. That is two-tier. So only two tiers are there: presentation layer and application and database together. Is it clear? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So what changes are there in each level we should know. So you see, end of the day, now our S4 HANA, they made it is a super fast, no? S4 HANA. So what are the good things about our S4 HANA? One, they say that it is very fast. Correct. Right. So there are obviously new features are there. New features are there. Plus what they are saying, it is very fast. It is very fast. No? So what is so great about why it is so fast? Okay. So as for HANA is, they say 1800 times. No? If you take your ECC speed, if you take your ECC speed and if you compare with S4 HANA speed, your S4 HANA is 1800 times faster than ECC. Correct? Why? Why is the question. So that's where
Because
this three-tier architecture will come into picture. So in every phase, what they have done some improvements. Okay? In every phase, they have done some improvements. Okay? What they have done. So if you take your now three-tier, if you take in S4 HANA at the presentation layer, previously we used to have only SAP GUI is there. Give. Correct? Right. Now we have SAP GUI plus Fiori. Fiori apps. Okay. I will discuss later. So now if you take a presentation layer, this is the changes. We have now Fiori on. Correct. In ACC what was there? Only GUI was there. Give was. Now in application layer, what they brought up in application layer, there are some changes at the in the software level. There are some changes at so new features are there here. New features, new functionalities are there. New features and functionalities. Plus they have done some changes, functionalities are there. Plus there are some changes at the table level. I will discuss tables changes are there. Okay. Okay. So now some changes are there. Next, then if you talk about database, they have brought in a new database now, that is HANA database. Okay. Yeah. So previously, okay, let me compare this. Okay, let me talk about ECC first. So if you take ECC, ECC version, let me take this. All this, if this is S4 HANA version, if you take this, and if I take the here, some here presentation layer, only In presentation layer, only one option, that is GUI. Okay. In application layer, we have been using it. Na? So whatever is there, it is there. Na? Some features are there, that is old na? Software. Same software we have. Na? It is just the software. What are the features are there? They have been there. Now in database, we have here, we used to use Oracle database. Correct? Na? Previously. Now we are using our own database. I will explain. First you write down. One by one we will discuss.
Sir, can you scroll up once?
Just 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. So in every phase, in every layer, they improved, guys. Okay, what they improved, we will discuss one by one. Okay, done? Yeah. So let's see.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell.
Sir, which time they sir connect with me?
I think you just connect with him. He will
After
connect with you. Don't worry.
after this class, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, done?
Done, sir.
1 second. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
we'll get the HANA version and this also, sir.
No, you have to take it separately. Yeah. We'll see. First, you see. If you really feel, you take. Otherwise, not required. Yeah. Up to you. Okay. So what is it? This is the database. So first, first I will talk about the database. Okay. Database, because it is database is very important. The main important difference is the database flow. Okay. So here, when we were in the ECC version, we were using, our database was Oracle database. Oracle or some other, na? Because we were not having our own database. When we were in the ECC version, we are not having our own database. So we were dependent on without database, this is a software. Na? See, ECC is a software, right? It's
Yes.
a software. Without database, can I use the software? No, I need a database. But we were not having our own database. The SAP was not having their own database. So they were dependent on the Oracle or IBM or any other third party for the database. We were dependent on other companies for the database. Is it clear? Yeah. Now, No. So what was the problem here is this Oracle database was not able to support our software because our software is so big. No, software is so big, right? So we have so many modules, such a big, massive ERP software, right? So this database is this relational RDBMS. RDBMS,
Yes,
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 sir.
relational database management systems. They were not able to support our traditional database. Were not able to support us. Correct? Yes. Imagine, like imagine I have a big elephant. Yeah, yeah. My elephant size is increasing day by day. My truck size remained the same. Huh? Can it carry my elephant? No, no. So that was the situation. So database, they were not able to support the size of an application like SAP. So as a result, what was happening? The reports were slow. In some companies, COPA reports. COPA reports, what they do in ECC? They put enter, but they press enter button in the night. In ECC, they press enter button in the night, come back in the morning, see the report because it will take 10 hours. If you put enter, run the report, system will run for how many hours? 10 hours it will run because there is so much data. So you know what they do? They press enter button in the night, come back in the morning, see the data. So much slag is there because our databases, they were not able to support us. Correct? Okay. So to solve this problem, SAP waited, some solution will come, but no solution. They were not able to support our level of software, right? So SAP pitched in and they started working on building their own databases. Correct? Okay. Now tell me, guys. Now this is so here. So now finally we got our own database. That is our HANA database. Correct? HANA database. So which is very, very fast, super fast. So now with the HANA, with the arrival of HANA, what happened now? Can I run my software on my database?
Yes.
Can
yes,
I run my ECC on my own database?
yes,
Yes, you can run. But because of this, no, previously because of this Oracle database, we were not adding any new features. See, already my elephant is heavy. Why I will put weight, feed it and make it more weight? Correct or not? So we were holding back on all the new features in ECC. Correct? Because database was not supporting. If I add, see, already the server is slow. If I add new features, what will happen, guys? It will become further slow, no? Correct. That's why when we were in the ECC version, we were not able to add any new features, new functionalities we could not bring in. Why? Because database was not supporting us. Is that clear? Yeah. So now with the arrival of HANA, all windows have opened up now. Our database is very, very good and very fast, right? So now they started adding all the new features. And there were so many new features, like 10, 15 years they were pending. So when they added new features, what happened, guys? When they added these new features, it gave birth to new version. That is, so imagine new when you add new features, what will come? New version
new,
will come. That version is S4 HANA version. Is it clear? And it is running on which database?
HANA data.
HANA,
HANA database. That is the picture. So that is a journey what SAP has gone through. So now we got our new version and it is running on which database? HANA
HANA
database.
data.
See, and then see we they named this version with as S4 HANA. Why? Because if this database was not invented, if this database was not invented, we would have still been in ECC only. We could not have got new version. We got this new version because of HANA only. Correct or not? If this new database was not invented, we would have been still been struggling with the old version only. No? We could not add any new things. Because of this only we got our new version. So they named it after HANA. Correct? So S/4HANA name is what? How this name has come? It is a software suite. No? Suite we call it. SUI suite for HANA. So a suite has become yes, for has become for, HANA remains HANA. So a software suite that has been developed, a software suite that has been developed, keeping, that has been developed, keeping HANA capabilities in mind. Correct? Keeping HANA in mind. Now, how much? Correct or not? Keeping HANA in mind. That is what we named it after. So, how far HANA can go support us? That far we have come. Is it clear? That's why, because of this HANA only, we have our new version. If HANA was not invented, we would have still been struggling with the old features, old version and all. Because Oracle is never going to improve anything anyhow. Correct? Good. Clear, everybody? So now I am saying this HANA database is 1800 times faster than Oracle database. Is it clear? It's a big claim. Not one time, two time, guys. Imagine one laptop is 1800 times faster than another laptop. Can you imagine? 1800 times fast. Correct? You tell me, guys, how do you improve the speed of your laptop? You tell me. If you want to increase the speed of your laptop, what you?
Updating RAM.
How? RAM.
Add more disk.
RAM.
RAM improvement.
Extend RAM.
RAM. Okay. RAM, what you do? Increase the RAM capacity. Increase RAM, na? Okay. Correct. RAM means what?
Random access memory.
Random access memory. Correct. RAM. Yeah. So if your laptop is 4 GB, make it 8 GB. Correct, or 12 GB. Correct. Then the speed will increase. Yes. Correct. So now why this speed will increase, guys? What is ROM?
Data.
Store the data. Read only mode.
Read only mode. Read only memory. Correct. So what is the difference between RAM and ROM?
RAM is used to run the application.
In your laptop, both are there. ROM and RAM both are there.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So this is your hard disk, na?
Yes.
This is your hard disk, na? This is your RAM, right? Correct.
Process.
You need both of them.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So which one is faster? RAM is faster or ROM is faster?
RAM.
Which one is faster?
RAM, sir.
RAM. Why RAM is faster? Why RAM is faster? Because it is in memory. In memory. See, your laptops, they are like, short memory they are. Means what? Ghazni? Ghazni movie you have seen? Ghazni? Correct or not? So whatever we have I have to give some example, na? Correct. See, whatever you are working on the files that you are working, they are in
RAM.
RAM. Correct. Whatever files you have closed, where they are?
ROM.
ROM. So every time you want to open a file, what it will do? It will go to the ROM, open the file, show you in the RAM, right? Agree, na? So little bit technicals also I need to discuss now. Is it clear?
Yes.
So every time you open a file, it will come from hard disk to RAM, na? And in the RAM you are working, right? Right. So if the file is open, if one document file is open, it will be where, guys?
In RAM.
RAM. If the file I close, where it will go?
Wrong.
Go to ROM.
ROM. So when I want to open a file from the ROM hard disk, it will take some time, na?
Yes.
When I click on it, it will circle and open, right? Yeah. But if the file is already open, it is on my desktop, I can see immediately, right? Yeah. So there is for one file, it will take 1 second to open the file from ROM, right? Correct. Imagine if I have 1 lakh files. Correct. Imagine if I have 1 lakh files in the ROM and I want to open all the 1 lakh files. How much time it will take?
Yeah.
1
Take
lakh
more.
seconds. 1 lakh seconds it will take. That's why it is taking time. You understand, na? So every time you have to take the data from the ROM, open it in the RAM, and then only see it, right? So there is a time lag, na? Bring the data here, open it and show, na? Correct. Got it? So now what SAP has done is this HANA database, it is totally in memory. HANA database is, why it is faster? Because it is in memory database. In memory means what?
Yeah. Everything is at the RAM level.
Total RAM. Understand? So all your data, all the company's data is always in RAM. Understand? Imagine you have a laptop. Yeah, you imagine you have a laptop. Your RAM is 1 TB. So all your data is always in RAM only. All the data. Correct? Will it be faster or not? Huh? You are able to understand, guys? So our HANA database is totally in memory.
RAM.
Total RAM. Correct? Complete RAM it is. So imagine I have a laptop where I don't have a hard disk now. 1 TB hard disk, in place of hard disk I have total RAM only. That is in memory. So is it faster? Is it faster now? In memory? What do you think?
Faster.
Fast. You are able to understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So RAM, our HANA is what? HANA is what type of database it is?
In memory.
Total in memory
In
data.
In
memory.
memory. Means total database, there is no hard disk now. Total RAM only. Now if I have total RAM, what is the problem, guys? If I have only RAM, if I have the data, what is the risk?
Storage.
What storage?
Losing the data.
Losing the data, yes, correct. If I have the data on RAM, if I there is a something, if I will lose the data, no?
Backup.
Yes.
Correct.
Backup
So
is not.
yeah, backup is not there. Correct. So that's why what they do in the database, in this HANA database, snapshots will happen. Means every second they will capture the snapshot of the database, store it in somewhere else. So, right? So you don't lose the data. But you are not working on the hard disk. You are working on the RAM only. So all the data is always on the RAM only. Is it clear? Correct. So that way you are not losing the data and you are not working on the hard disk. You are working on the RAM only. Is it clear? So nowhere you are not going to the hard disk again, opening the file again, taking into RAM, again working on it. Not required. Completely RAM. Is it clear? Actually, now the database companies, Oracle, they are surprised. Nobody, this is a revolutionary thing. Nobody tried it before. SAP tried it for the first time. See, actually, database is Oracle area, na? Now they have been databases for long time, na? Decades. They couldn't do it. SAP did it. You understand? So I venture into somebody's area and I conquer it. I conquer it. I defeat them in their area. Correct? Database is Oracle strong area. SAP entered database area and they have invented something that or even Oracle could not invent. That is the greatness of the HANA database. Correct? So SAP, what they did, they brought in their own database which is very, very fast, super fast. Now Oracle and other database companies are, they are shocked to see that. That such a revolutionary thing they brought in. So it is totally in memory. It is totally in memory. Okay. First thing when you talk about HANA, what you should understand, it is in-memory
Memory.
database. Correct? And there are other things. There are other things like, table level, some changes they have done. So the way you store the data in the database. Okay? So the table level changes we will discuss. So we have table, table. So in the database, what will be there, guys?
Tables will be
Tables will be. We have seen what is the table for line item data, guys?
base PK.
Hmm?
BKPF.
BSAG.
BKPF is header data. BSEG, no? Yeah. Vendor general data table. Hmm?
LFA1.
LFA1, very good. Customer general data, KNA1. Yeah, just once in a while you need to refresh. Okay, we will talk about tables, guys. So table level, what changes they have done to make it faster? What they have done? So what they have done? They have done like table rows and columnar storage. I will discuss this. Then they have removed aggregation tables, index tables. They did all these things to make it fast. So they did everything to make the HANA fast. Okay, right. So I will discuss this tomorrow. Tomorrow table level I will discuss. Now RAM wise I discussed. Table level I will discuss tomorrow. Okay, right, guys. Thank you. Then we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Sir,
One
Thank you.
balance today's
in,
notes.
Yesterday's notes.
Yes,
no,
sir.
today's only, please scroll.
Today's. Yeah. Okay.
They provide me new server, then we copy company code.
Everything you can do, mother. All the things.
So down, sir, little.
Directly. Directly you can do COPA there. Okay. No need to copy also.
Okay, but my company is not sure there.
You have to copy somebody else.
Okay.
Okay.
So can you also tell or share the link of the SAP certification that can be done for this?
Oh, certification. Yeah. Okay. I will tell
Yeah.
you tomorrow. I will tell you. Hmm?
Okay, thank you.
So
Right.
yesterday's notes also, please.
Further down.
Yesterday's
Yesterday's.
see.
Okay. 1 minute, ma. Yeah. This is yesterday's. Yeah.
Yeah, got it. Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay, guys. Thank you. Then we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.